Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I am providing you a free vintage camera raw preset for Photoshop. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And watch this tutorial till end because the preset file is password protected and the password will show in the corner of this video. Let's start our tutorial. First of all, open Photoshop and import your images. There are two images which I will use in this tutorial. First, I will make the camera settings of vintage preset or vintage look on this image. Then we will save that settings as a preset. Then we will apply that preset on this image. So first press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Then press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw, in which we will apply and make settings. Now after making all that adjustments in Camera Raw, press OK. And I have saved all these settings as a Camera Raw preset. Now we will apply that preset on this image. First press the Ctrl J. First I want to see the before and after this image. This is the before image, this is the after image. After making the copy, press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Click here, select Load Settings. Select your preset file and press Open. It will automatically apply all that settings on this image and press OK. This is the before image, this is the after image. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and this preset will help you a lot. If this preset is helpful for you, then tell me in the comment section of this video, and please support this channel on Patreon. And I want to say thanks to GSK Gupta, who is supporting this channel financially on Patreon. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. Goodbye.